look like while we're riding. It's been about 4 hours already, I guess, since we leave Ayutthaya. I am actually trying to go from the back country roads by hoping to be faster, because the main road is quite busy and boring. The backcountry is much more beautiful with a lot of wildlife. Every 300 meters we see a smashed snake. If you're lucky enough, we can reach Khao today, but if not, we will stop by some little city in between. Now we're heading to Sarab.
Dur, hayır, buraya gel. Buraya gel. Lemmy, buraya gel çabuk. Lemmy, hayır. Buraya gel çabuk. Gidiyoruz. Lemmy, buraya gel abi. Gel buraya. Manyak mısın sen? Ne garip bir herifsin lan. Hemen ilk gördüğün şeye atlıyorsun lan. Hayır. Hayır, gel buraya. Çok garip bir herifsin lan. Gel. Maymun var diyor. Timsah olsa atlayacağım. Benim tek başına yemek yani maymun. Sen kim biliyorsun hemen? Rahatsız etme. Ne acayip bir hayvan değil mi? Dikkat et, ağzına sıçabilir senin. Çok dikkat et.
So we are here close to the Khao National Park. Tomorrow morning when we wake up, we're gonna go to the national park headquarters. This is not gonna be an easy night, I guess, because since we have seen a monkey just feeding himself over there, Lemmy tries to have a contact with him. He doesn't get afraid at all. Monkey the same. And I guess that there are all kinds of wild animals, like we have seen today a giant monitor lizard. There are a few dogs around. Snakes, definitely there are snakes. So we couldn't find any place to sleep. That's a Buddhist school, I guess. And yeah, it's a beautiful place. But we're not gonna stay here longer, just tonight, since we can't find any place. For now we're good. We're gonna sleep soon, but now we enjoy mosquito night. See you soon.